Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up offline caching with Apollo client for mobile, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up offline caching with Apollo client for mobile, first ensure you have the necessary packages installed. Open your project directory in the terminal. Run the command to install Apollo client if you haven't already. Import the Apollo client and in-memory cache into your project files. Create a new instance of Apollo client. Pass the URI of your GraphQL server to the Apollo client constructor. Next, instantiate an in-memory cache. Set up the cache policies to define how your data will be stored. Implement the cache field policies to enable offline capabilities. To enhance offline support, consider using the Apollo Link REST for REST APIs. If using local data, define your local state management with Apollo client. Use the Apollo provider to wrap your application's root component. Make sure to pass the Apollo client instance into the provider. Now, begin caching your queries to enable offline access. Use the fetch policy option to set the fetch behavior for your queries. The recommended policy for offline use is cache first. Add the necessary logic to handle network status changes. Display appropriate messages or UI changes when offline. Test your implementation by simulating offline behavior in your app. Debug any issues with caching mechanisms if needed. Ensure your app performs optimally while offline by reviewing network requests. Finally, deploy your app and monitor the offline experience for users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.